Welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss one of the most anticipated sports cars of 2025, the Chevrolet Nova Supersport. Let's start with a brief history of this legendary model. The Chevrolet Nova was first introduced in 1962 as a compact car that quickly became a favorite among automotive enthusiasts. With various iterations and improvements, the Nova Supersport became an icon of speed and style. And here it is, the 2025 Chevrolet Nova Supersport. Its modern and aggressive front fascia is truly eye-catching. The narrow front grille, with the Chevrolet emblem in the center, surrounded by sharp LED headlights, gives a sporty and futuristic impression. Details such as the sleek front grille and angular LED headlights add to the sophisticated and high-tech impression. From the side, we can see the smooth aerodynamic lines and low profile that add to the sporty aesthetic. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels and sculpted side panels give a dynamic and rugged look. Large wheels with a multi-spoke design and bold wheel arches add to the impression of high performance. The rear of the car is no less interesting. The narrow and angular V-shaped LED taillights give an aggressive and futuristic look. The sporty rear bumper with integrated exhaust adds to the dynamic impression. The prominent Nova branding in the middle, right above the license plate area, gives this car a strong identity. The 2025 Chevrolet Nova Supersport is scheduled to be released later this year. Here are some key specifications you need to know. The latest information shows that the 2025 Chevrolet Nova Supersport will be equipped with the latest technology, including an advanced infotainment system and various driver assistance features for a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for the latest updates on the automotive world. See you in the next video.